So student book page 225, that is area. See, Sami draws a rectangle that has 8 cm long and 2 cm wide. 8 cm and 2 cm. So you know what is the area of a rectangle? It is length multiply width. So it is 8 multiply 2. Is it 16 cm square? Is it? Not 16 cm, because here also centimeter, here also you can see the centimeter. When we multiply both centimeters, we will get centimeter square. But here it is shown like a square figure, how we can count it. See, that same thing he has divided, that same figure he has divided into squares or grids of each 1 centimeter square. 1 square means it is 1 square centimeter. One grid is 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So all these will be 1 square centimeters. So area means what? The total portion covered by all the squares, is it? That means either you can multiply or you can just count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So either you can multiply 2 and 8 or you can just count it and you can write the answer. See, the rectangle is filled with 16 squares. Each area is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter by means 1 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter. The amount of space inside the shape is known as its area. The rectangle has 16 square centimeters. So we can write it as 16 centimeters square, or we will say it as 16 square centimeter. Both way you can write. Either you can write the answer as square centimeter or you can write the answer as centimeter square, or square meter and centimeter square. Both way you can write. Okay, is it clear? In the next page you can see some squares, okay, colored here: pink color, grey color, blue color, like that. Okay, what's the question? Look at the shapes made by 1 centimeter square tiles. Padma measures the length, width and area of each shape and recorded the data on the chart. So this is shape 1. So by looking at the shape itself, you can say what is the area of this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4 square centimeter or 4 centimeter square? Is it? Shape 2. So how many shapes are there? So let us have a look into the table given by Padma. She recorded the values there. For shape 1. So what is the length for shape 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? What is the width for shape 1? Only 1. So length is 4 and width is 1. So what is 4 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter? It is 4 centimeter square. So always keep in your mind, when we come to area, it will be always square. Don't forget to put square, centimeter square or meter square, depending upon the question. So either you can do like this or just count the number of shapes, number of grids. Okay. So here, if you write the length, what is the length? Length means the long one. 1, 2, 3. See, length is 3 centimeter, and what about width? Width is 1, 2. Is it? 2 centimeters. Both sides it is coming. When we multiply, we need to take only this and this. No need to count like perimeter. So what is 3 multiply 2? It is 6 centimeter square. Why? Because 3 centimeter multiplies 2 centimeter. Or else if you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything you can do, but always go. If you are having grids, you can count it. If it is length and width is given, you go for equation. So it's up to you. So coming to this one, what is the area? What do you think? If you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 centimeters square. Is it? Same. The length is given 5 and width is given 2 centimeters. So it is 10 centimeters square. So like that, you can just go through all these things. So it is given. What is this? The equation for the area of a rectangle, which we already discussed. It is length multiply width. Okay. In this figure, so many square grids are given. So just find the area. What about the first one? Only one unit. Is it given by centimeter? So the area will be 1 centimeter square. Or you can say, what is the length? It is 1. What is the width? It is 1. 1 multiply 1 is 1. 1 centimeter square. Coming to the red one. Look, what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Width also, all these are squares. So no need to count it, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also it will be 6. So 6 multiply 6 is what? That is 36 centimeter square. If you count also, see, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Is it? So the total area of the square grid is here 36 centimeters square. So when you are getting square grids, either you can count how many are there, or you can just find one side how many and other side how many. Then you just multiply these two. That is how we can find the area. Okay. So this one, the answer is given here. You can just go through that. You can just check the answers here. Okay. That's from the exercise. So same thing what we have discussed. That is for a square, the area is side multiply side. And for the rectangle, it is length multiply width. Okay. So study these two equations. Then coming to the next one. What is the next question? The school lawn has a length of 9 meter and a width of 3 meter. What is the area of the lawn? It is a rectangle, so it is very easy for you. What is the area? It is length multiply width. So 9 meter multiply 3 meter. What is 9 multiply 3? It is 27. So what is the answer? It is 27 meter or 27 meter square? It will be 27 meter square, or you can write 27 square meter. If you are writing meter square means you should write 27, then meter, then as an exponential power up you can write 2. Otherwise you can just write 27 then square meters. Both the answers are correct. Okay. Then coming to question 5. See, all these are different types of word problem. Go through that. Okay. It is very important. Word problems are very important. That is application level questions. Look at the rectangle. What is the width? We need to find the width of this. See, a figure is given here. 7 meter is the length and area is given. 28 meter square is the area. So what will be width? We know area equals length multiply width. So 7 multiply some number. We don't know this number. Gives you 28. So what is this width? It is 28 divided by 7. What is 28 divided by 7? Just think the multiplication of 7. Where 28 comes? 28 times 1, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14, 7 times 3, 21, 7 times 4, 28. So what is 28 divided by 7? It is 4, is it? So it is 4 meter only, no need of square. When the answer area comes, it is meter square or centimeter square. Here 7 meter and this will be what? 4 meter. Is it clear? That is 28 square divided meter square divided by 7 meter, that is equal to 4 meter. So the width is 4 meter. So let's go to the practice sums. So the practice sums also you do and write the correct answer. Look at these shapes. Tick the correct box. See, for question number A, 2 boxes are given and so many options are given here. Okay, you tick the correct answer. What's the first one? The yellow shape has a larger area. The green shape has a larger area. Both shapes have same area. The yellow shape has larger perimeter. So they are discussing with both area and perimeter. So for doing this, first you want to find the area of this, perimeter of this and perimeter of this. Then only we can say the answers. Okay. So for finding perimeter, you can just see 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 4 here, 2 here, 2 here. So 4 plus 4, 8. Then 2 plus 2, 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Or you can just do 2 times length plus 2 times width. And here also for area you just count the inner portion. So like that you can find both area and perimeter of all the shapes. Okay. So please do this. I think no need of helping you, is it? You can do it yourself. First you try yourself. If you are not getting, please let me know. Okay. So first you go through the videos, then it will be easy for you how to do that. Okay. Now let us go to the practice sums given in page 231. That's the word problems. So all the word problems, the equations will be same. So first read it and try to understand the concept and then you do it. So what's the first question? A square bathroom tile. So only think about the area and perimeter of a square. Has a perimeter of 20 centimeter. So it is given. Perimeter is given as 20 centimeter. Find the length of one side. First question is find the length of one side. So what will be the length of one side? We know the perimeter is 20. What is the length perimeter of a square? It is 4 times side. 4 multiply side is 20. So what will be the side? It is 20 divided by 4. What is 20 divided by 4? It is 5. Is it? So 5 is the length of the side. You check your answer. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. All the 4 sides. It is 20 centimeter. So your answer is correct. Okay. Then find the area of the side. Tile. How we can find the area of the tile? In question number A, now we know what is the side. What is the length of the side? It is 5. Is it? It is 5 centimeter. So what is the area? Area is side multiply side. So 5 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter. It is how much? 25 centimeter square. Okay. So coming to question number 2. What's the question? A driveway has a length of 12 centimeter and a width of 5 meter. Find the area and perimeter of the driveway. So read the question again. Can you see any twist inside this? Or anything is hidden here? Is it a direct question? Check that once more. A driveway has a length of 12 centimeter and a width of 5 meters. See, the length and width are given in different units. This is centimeter and this is meter. Always keep in your mind, we can do the calculations only if the units are in same, only if the measurements are given in same units. Either both should be in centimeter or both should be in meter. So the first step is we need to convert either this centimeter to meter, then both becomes meter, or this meter to centimeter. So that means here it is 12 centimeter. Here we know 1 meter equals how many centimeter? 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So 5 meter will be 5 into 100, that is 500 centimeter, is it? So either you can convert this also to centimeter. That means 12 multiply 500. That answer becomes centimeter. Or, but this is the perimeter of the driveway. Driveway and all, we need to better, you need to always say in meter, in higher units, okay? If you are converting to meter, how we can do? This is 5 meter. So 12 centimeter is how many meters? 12 divided by 100. You already studied the measurements. That is why we study the measurements first. So we know 1 centimeter equals how many meter? 1 by 100. So 12 centimeter is 12 by 100. That is 0.12 meter. So either 0.12 and 5 meter or 12 centimeter and 500 centimeter. So first you convert like that. Then find the area and perimeter. It's a rectangle, is it? So we know the area equals length times width, or length multiply width, and the perimeter is 2 multiply 2 times length inside a bracket plus 2 times width. Okay. Then you find and write the answers. So all of you please do it yourself. I will send the answers for the, I will send a video for the answers tomorrow. Okay. I will upload it tomorrow. Otherwise you will copy the answers. First you try to do it yourself and send me the answers. Okay. So today's homework is student book page 200. We are already explained this. Okay. 224, 229 and 231, and workbook 177 and 183. I'm just giving you these pages. If you want, you can do workbook any pages, no problem, because we already finished the portion. So now you can take your own time and finish all the workbook pages. And now you try to understand this and then you send me the homeworks. Okay. I will upload one video for the answers. First you try yourself. After that I will send you the answers, video for answers also. Okay. Thank you so much, dear. All of you, please try to understand the things and do it, and try to finish it also. As per your convenience, please finish it. Everyone stay safe at home. Okay. Thank you so much.